The market size of smart contracts was $2.2 billion in 2023, however, it will generate more than $9 billion by the end of 2030. A smart contract is a small but inevitable part of blockchain development. This part of blockchain development is experiencing substantial growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 26.3% between the years 2024 and 2030. Smart contracts safeguard users' digital assets with the help of blockchain technology. Undoubtedly, smart contract auditing is a guardian of blockchain integrity since it makes smart contracts error-free. In this video, we'll provide you with a complete guide on smart contract audits that includes concepts, benefits, types, processes, errors, and techniques. Let's understand the concept more clearly. Concepts of smart contracts and smart contract audits. It is essential to understand smart contracts before understanding the concept of smart contract audits. These contracts are scripts, but not in legal language, terms, or agreements, that automate the actions of two companies. These digital contracts are stored in the blockchain and automatically executed when probable terms and conditions are met. On the other hand, a smart contract audit is a blockchain project security process where the codes used by the developers to develop a smart contract go through a quality check. Smart contract audits need to be done before deploying smart contracts because they run when the coding dictates. Benefits of smart contract audits. Undoubtedly, smart contract audits offer several benefits. Early bug detection. The biggest advantage of smart contract auditing is that they can detect bugs before deploying the application, which saves lots of time and money. The earlier the problem was found, the sooner it got resolved. Safeguarding investments. Smart contracts handle investments. Any bugs in the code can cause a loss of funds due to theft or malfunction. This is a preventive measure to resolve the problem before it becomes a big issue. Enhance user confidence. Audited smart contracts attract more users for the platform that is looking for users. This also helps to build trust for smart contracts among the people. Fulfill the standards. Every smart contract has some standards that fulfill global standards. That standard needs to be fulfilled by the contract. Improves brand image. Indeed, security breaches can impact a brand's image. Investing in smart contract auditing leads to improving and protecting the brand's image. Types of smart contract audit. The types of smart contract audits are as follows: automated audits, manual audit, hybrid audits, comprehensive audits, limited audits, continuous audits, economic audits. Smart contract auditing process. The steps of processing are essential for security, efficiency, and trustworthiness. 7 steps need to be followed while processing. Initial review. In this, auditors look at design, try to understand the purpose of smart contracts, and set the stage for a focused review. Code review. This step is for the inspection of the code. Auditors flag potential issues by examining the code logic and structure. Security analysis. Auditors try security breaches to find and fix weaknesses so that no one can hack or exploit the contract. Testing. This is the trial procedure, where auditors create some required scenarios to check how the contract works. Reporting. Smart contract auditors make a report on the test. They write the issues they found during testing as well as how to fix them. Remediation. After knowing how to resolve the bugs, auditors fix them in this remediation step. Final review. This is the final check to ensure that everything is fine. After examining everything, auditors approve the smart contract. It is essential to fix any issues within the smart contracts since they're like safety checks for digital deals, ensuring blockchain projects are safe and secured. You can create a successful blockchain application and make it secure with smart contract audits by working with a reliable partner like Blocktunix. We possess 6+ years of experience in developing blockchain-based solutions and offer businesses a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, Blocktunix offers ongoing maintenance and support services like smart contract audits to ensure that your blockchain application solution continues to work flawlessly. For more information, simply click the link below in the description.